Introducing INNOFIT Plus, pairing industry-leading unrivaled efficiency with upgraded flexibility. Featuring both field-selectable light output and now field-selectable color temperatures powered by SelectDrive and SelectKelvin technologies, the INNOFIT Plus Downlight continues Green Creative's innovation of universal retrofit solutions for any application. The integrated switches on top of the fixture allow you to choose between 3 lumen output levels and 3 color temperatures to easily adapt to the project's requirements and intended atmosphere, providing exceptional flexibility for contractors and installers when altering designs on the spot. Distributors also benefit from reduced warehousing and logistics costs, as one product provides 9 unique SKU combinations of light output and color temperatures. Totally 54 field SKU combinations are available from only 6 SKUs in stock. The INNOFIT Plus has been engineered for efficiency with an industry-leading efficacy of up to 140 lumens per watt, delivering maximum energy savings and a maintenance-free installation for a long lifetime and quick ROI. The family is available in 4, 6, 8, and 9.5-inch sizes, with models compatible with either 0 to 10 volt or 120 volt TRIAC ELV dimming systems. Field-installable emergency backups are also available for emergency lighting requirements. Certified with airtight, IC, and wet location ratings, the INNOFIT Plus is the optimum choice for almost any retrofit application. Green Creative also offers its traditional economical 6 and 8-inch models with SelectDrive, fixed CCT, and 0 to 10 volt dimmability. Contact your Green Creative sales representative to find out more. Green Creative, your partner for professional lighting solutions.